Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. I am Tirupati. Right. I am going to explain about IUPAC nomenclature of cyclo and aromatic compounds. So in the previous videos, I am discussed about basics of IUPAC nomenclature and IUPAC nomenclature of compounds with complex side chains. So in this video, I am going to discuss about naming of cycloalkanes like cyclic compounds, and also aromatic compounds like benzene derivatives. Now, so first of all, I am going to explain about naming of alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds is like a cyclo compounds. So cycloalkenes or alkenes and alkynes, right? So the nomenclature for alicyclic compounds like cycloalkenes is derived by putting another prefix like primary prefix cyclo. What is that primary prefix? Cyclo before the word root of carbon atoms in a ring. This is the ring. This is the closed system. So closed system, that is said to be cyclic compounds, right? So before the word root, what is the word root? Number of carbons in the cyclic structure, that is the word root. So before we can add it cyclo. So what its name? So how many carbons are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. X. So all these are single bonds like hexane. So this is this word root. This is a primary suffix. What its prefix? Cyclo is added before the word root. Cyclohexane. So what its name? Cyclohexane. So what its name? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is cyclohexene. Here ene is there. Cyclohexene. So here ion is there, cyclohexane. So 1, 2, 3. So numbering is not given, but in this case here substituent is not present. So substituting, in the absence of substituent, numbering is not important, right? Cyclohexane. So this is the cyclohexane, this is the cyclohexane, right? We know that per single bond ene, per double bond ene, per triple bond ine is added, right? Next goes to substituted cycloalkenes. So what is the substituted alkene? Here the CH3 is substituted, right? All these are CH3, all these are FOH and O2. Okay, the substituted cycloalkenes are named as derivatives of parent cycloalkenes. So these are the derivatives of cycloalkenes. The substituents are named and the carbon atoms are numbered around the ring from the point of greatest substitution, providing the lowest series of numbers. So if the substituent is present on the cyclic structure, so the numbering is given for the first priority, starting from first priority, and also given from all carbons around the ring. So that is the meaning of this point. So in this cycloalkane lo మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్స్కి నెంబరింగ్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ దేనికి ఉంటుంది, దాంతో నెంబరింగ్ స్టార్టింగ్ చేసి సో ఆ రింగ్ చుట్టూ కూడా ఏంటి ఇవ్వాలంటే నెంబరింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి, రైట్? సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సో దిస్ కెన్ బి టేకెన్ హియర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్ అండ్ హియర్ డబుల్ బాండ్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్. సో విచ్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ? సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ, so double bond is first priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this the numbering is given from around the ring, right? Here why? Here 1 is starting from this carbon, this is the double bond. So if the numbering is given from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, here the substituent having 4th position. So that's wrong. Substituent always having a least priority. Here from in this way the substituent having 3 position from Okay, anti-clockwise direction, the substituent having fourth position. So this is wrong, right? Now what its name? So how many carbons in the ring? 4. Bute. Bute. So prefix, what is prefix? What is the primary prefix? Cyclo. Cyclo. And what is the secondary prefix? Methyl. 3-methyl. 3-methyl. And what is the suffix? This is double bond, ene. So that ene is present at 1 ene. 1 ene or butene. So cyclobutene, right? 3-methyl cyclobute 1 ene. So its name. Now goes to this. So here the numbering is given for this or this. This is having only one substituent. This is having two substituents. So the numbering is starting from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if the numbering is starting given from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the substituent having fifth position. So this is not a correct. This is the right. So this order is right. So why it is given first priority here? This is having two substituents, but this is having only one substituent. And it is also a complex chain. So this is the main chain. We can take a main chain, right? So main chain ethyl. So in this position, this is 2, 1, 2. So what it's this is methyl, first carbon. Methyl is first carbon. So what its name? So 3. This is the complex side chain that can be written. That can be written in parentheses. So methyl, 1-methyl, 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 1-methyl. So this is ethyl, 2 carbons. In the straight chain, how many carbons? 2 carbons. Okay, bracket close. And in the first position, how many methyl groups are there? 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, dimethyl, 1, 1, dimethyl, 1, 1, dimethyl. And this is a cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. So this is the name of this compound, cyclohexane, right? And next goes to this compound. The numbering is given first for functional group, not per substituent. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what its name? So first of all we can write a prefix 3-methyl. What its name? 3-methyl. Like 3-methyl. So 3-methyl. 3-methyl. Okay, how many carbons? 6 carbons. Previous we can be added cyclohexane. 6 carbons. Hexane. All are single bonds. In 1 mole. Or cyclohexanol. 1 mole or cyclohexanol. Next goes to this. Here the numbering is given from nitro group or double bond side. So the numbering is, this is the substituent. So the numbering is given first for double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what its name? So this is 3-nitro. This is 3-nitro. This is 1-methyl. So according to alphabetical ladder, M is first, methyl. 1-methyl. 1-methyl. So 1-methyl, 3-nitro, 1-methyl, 3-nitro, cyclo, how many carbons? 6 carbons. Cyclohex, 1 ene, cyclohex, 1 ene or cyclohexene, right? So 1-methyl, this is also written as 1-methyl 3-nitro cyclohexene. So 1 can be removed. So this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. What its name? Right. Its name is So 1 comma 2 dimethyl, 1 comma 2 dimethyl, 1 comma 2 dimethyl, cyclopentane. How many carbons in the parent chain? 5 carbons, cyclopentane. Right, next goes to this. What its name? What its name? Here the numbering is given from this side and this side also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So both are here the substituent is present from this side, the substituent is present in one position, from this side the substituent is present in one position. So both the double bond having us one positions. So in this case, if the substitute, if the alkyl side chains having same position, which is given first priority based on alphabetical. This is methyl, this is ethyl. Ethyl is given first priority. So this is right. So this is wrong. So this is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ethyl is given first priority. What its name? So 1 ethyl, 2 methyl. 1 ethyl. So what its name? Its name is 1 ethyl, 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, 1 ethyl, 2 methyl, cyclobute, 1 in. Here the double bond is present and 1 in, cyclo 1 butene. Right. So now goes to this compound. So if the numbering is given per two functional groups are there. One is ketone, another one is alcohol. So ketone is first priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what its name? So first of all we can write a substituent. Here OH is not a functional group. Here OH is a substituent. If the OH is substituent, what its name? Hydroxy. 3-hydroxy. Cyclohexane. Okay, 3-hydroxy cyclohexane. 1 bone. Cyclohexane, this is N. 1 bone. Or 3-hydroxy cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone. N1 or cyclohexanone. So what its name? Finally. So this is very important. So this is the cyclic chain. This is the saturated straight chain. This is the straight chain. So this straight chain containing how many carbons? 4 carbons. This straight chain containing how many carbons? 4 carbons. This straight chain containing how many carbons? 4 carbons. But the cyclic structure containing how many carbons? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. But okay, this is containing 4 carbons. This is containing the cyclic structure containing 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it is containing 4 carbons, which is taken as parent chain. So in the which is having more number of carbons, that is taken as parent chain. So this can be taken parent chain, but in the straight chain double bond is there. In the straight chain double bond or functional group is present, that can be given first priority. So this is the parent chain, this is the substituent. So how to write? So this is now how to given numbering. So this is given first number way, it is double bonding. 1, 2, 3, 4, right. In the third position, this is cyclopentyl. How many carbons in the ring? 5 carbons. Cyclopentyl. Yeah, that cyclopentyl substituent is present at 3 position. Third position. 3 cyclopentyl. Right. In the parent chain, how many carbons are there? 4. Bute. But. So this is ene, one ene, right? Butene. 3 cyclopentyl butene. So next goes to some more examples. Right. So this is the another example. So here 4 carbons are present in straight chain. So in the cyclic chain, how many carbons are there? 3 carbons. In the parent, in the straight chain, 4 carbons are there. But in the cyclic chain, this is containing 3 carbons. So which is taken as parent chain? So this is taken as parent chain. Why? It is having double bond. So double bond is given for first priority. If the cyclic chain containing least number of carbons, then straight chain. But that is given first priority due to that is containing double bond. That is containing double bond. So it is double bond given first priority. Straight chain లో ఎక్కువ కార్బన్ ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా మనకి సైక్లోప్రోపే ఈ సైక్లిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ని పేరెంట్ చైన్కి ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటామంటే దానిలో డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంది. డబుల్ బాండ్కి ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వాలి. రైట్. సో ద నంబరింగ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఐదర్ దిస్ సైడ్ ఆర్ దిస్ సైడ్ 1 2 సో 3 రైట్. సో దిస్ is the 1 2 3 4 means butyl. So in the third position 3 butyl cyclo, how many carbons? 3 carbons. Cycloprop 2, okay, 1 ene, or this is also written as 3 butyl cyclopropene, right. Now this can be written as, right, both are having 3 carbons, 3. So this straight chain containing 3 carbons, this is the cyclic structure containing 3 carbons. So if the double, okay, right. So in this case, in the straight chain, the straight chain containing double bond, so that is given first priority. So 1 2 3. So this is the substituent. Both are having cyclic chain and straight chain. Both are containing same number of carbons. But in the straight chain, double bond is present. So that is given first priority. That is taken as parent chain. So 3. So this is cyclopropyl. This is the substituent. So how many carbons are present? Propane, 1 ene, that is propane, right. So this is a straight chain containing more number of carbons. This is containing less number of carbons. So this is given parent chain. This is taken as parent chain. So 1 cyclopropyl butane. Suppose if the cyclic chain and substituent chain containing same number of carbons, so we can take another example, right. If the cyclic chain and substituent chain containing same number of carbons, so this is containing 3 carbon, this is the containing 3 carbon. So the first priority is given per cyclic structure. This is taken as parent chain. So 1 2 3. So 1 propyl cyclopropane. This is the parent chain, cyclopropane. So when side chain and cyclic structure both are equal, so in this case, which is taken as parent chain? Cyclic structure is taken as parent chain. Okay, what its name? So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the ketone. So ketone means this is 5 carbon cyclopent, 5 carbons, pentane. This is single bonds. This one is 1 one. That one is present. Or ketone one that is present at 1. Or cyclopentanone. Right, both are same. Right, this is very example. This is per 1. So in the cyclic structures 3 carbons are there. In the straight chain 2 carbons are there, but it is taken parent chain. Why? Here two substituents are present. Okay, when two cyclic structures are attached to the straight chain, so that are taken as substituents. So this is cyclopropyl, this is cyclopropyl. 1, 2 dicyclopropyl, propyl. So ethane, 2 carbons, ethane. So what it is? So this is 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. In the cyclic structure, 5 carbons are there. In the straight chain, this is 3 carbons there, 1, 2, 3 carbons. But which is taken as parent chain. So here double bond is there in the cyclic structure. In the straight chain, OH group is there. So which is taken as parent chain. So functional group, which is having functional group, that is taken as the parent chain. Here OH is the functional group that is present in straight chain, that is taken as parent chain. 1, 2, 3. So right in the second position 2. So this is what? Cyclopent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So here 3 is okay, double bond is present at 3. So that can be written in bracket, parenthesis, cyclo. So how to write? So what its name? So what its name? In the second position is substituent 2 cyclopent. How many carbons are present in ring? 5 carbons. Cyclopent. 3 ene. So this is the substituent enyl. Ene. Yes, this is the substituent alkyl. Okay, cyclopropyl, cyclopentyl. So 3 enyl. Ene. 3 enyl. How many carbons are present in straight chain? 3 propane. Here vol is present at 1 position, 1 vol, or it is also written as propanol, right? And what its name? So its name is, so here the numbering is in these 3 structures. So this carbon cannot be counted. So that is the outside of the ring. So the numbering must be given in ring only, not outside carbon. So this numbering is given from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what its name? In this case, the secondary suffix name is changed. So మనం ఈ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్స్ ఏంటివి? సెకండరీ సఫిక్స్ అయిన ఆల్డిహైడ్, కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్, సైనైడ్ గ్రూప్స్ మనకి సైక్లిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్కి అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉండేటప్పుడు వాటికి నెంబరింగ్ ఇవ్వలేనప్పుడు, వాటి యొక్క సఫిక్స్ నేమ్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఆల్డిహైడ్కి సఫిక్స్ నేమ్ ఏంటి? ఆల్. కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్, ఓయిక్ యాసిడ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నైట్రైల్. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ద సఫిక్స్ ఈజ్ చేంజ్డ్. ఎప్పుడు మనకి ఆల్డిహైడ్ అయినా, కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ అయినా, సైనైడ్ గ్రూప్ అయినా రింగికి బయట ఉంటే దానికి నెంబరింగ్ మనం ఇచ్చే అవకాశం లేనప్పుడు ఆ సఫిక్స్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఇట్స్ నేమ్? కార్బాల్డిహైడ్. సో వాట్ ఇట్స్ నేమ్? కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్. వాట్ ఇట్స్ నేమ్? కార్బోనైట్రైల్. రైట్. సో వాట్ ఇట్స్ నేమ్? సో ఇట్స్ నేమ్ ఈస్ cyclopentane carbaldehyde, 1 carbaldehyde or carbaldehyde, cyclopentane carbaldehyde. So cyclopentane carbaldehyde. What its name? Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Next, what its name? Its name is cyclohexane. Numbering is given same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclohexane 1 carboxylic acid or cyclohexane carboxylic acid. One cannot be written. Carboxylic acid. and this for cyclopentane, carbonitrile, right. So next last one, this is, so the numbering is given per all are functional groups. This is aldehyde, this is carboxylic acid, this is ketone, which is given first priority, carboxylic acid is given first priority, and next goes to this side or this side, and next goes to aldehyde. So second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is the main functional group, and these two are substituents. So if the aldehyde is substituent, what its name? Formyl. If the ketone is present, that is what its name? Substituent. Oxo. So what its name? Finally, right. Okay, 2-formyl, 6-oxo. Which is written first? Formyl. 2-formyl, 6-oxo, cyclohexane, 1-carboxylic acid, or cyclohexane carboxylic acid, or 1-carboxylic acid, both are right. And okay, this is the naming of alicyclic compounds, like cyclic compounds. Now I am going to explain about benzene derivatives, nomenclature of benzene derivatives. Now I am going to explain about naming of aromatic compounds, like benzene compounds, like benzene derivatives. So these are less systematic. These are less systematic means less systematic. These are less systematic means, so it cannot follows completely IUPAC nomenclature rules. So most of the common names are acceptable for the IUPAC nomenclature. So chala compounds ki vaadi common names ne IUPAC nomenclature ga consider chestantaru kabatti this is less systematic. So we can take in this. So this is said to be cyclohexane. So if we can take in 2 double bonds, that is said to be cyclohexadiene. That is cyclo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cyclohex 1 and 3, 1, 3 diene. Cyclohex 1, 3 diene. Cyclohexa 1, 3 diene. So if another pi bond can be written, all these double bonds are alternative bonds. So cyclohexa 1, 3, 5 triene. So this is a benzene. So its IUPAC name is not a cyclohexa 1, 3, 5 triene. Due to, so its IUPAC name is not considered as cyclohexa 1, 3, 5 triene. Due to these pi bonds are continuously revolving in resonance. It undergoes resonance. So that means if this pi bonds are shifted continuously around the ring. So here the pi bond is present in this case here, but here. So what its hybridization state? This is said to be hybrid state of benzene. So this is the hybrid state of benzene. So that means what it's meaning here, the pi bond is continuously revolving around the ring. So that means its IUPAC nomenclature is not a cyclohexa 1, 3, 5 triene. So its IUPAC nomenclature is considered as benzene. Why? the benzene, the IUPAC nomenclature of benzene is not taken 1 cyclohexa 1,3,5 tri. So the pi bond is not fixed in exact position. The pi bonds are continuously revolving around the ring. So its name is benzene, right? The IUPAC nomenclature of this one is benzene, right? And if we if the substituent, this is the benzene ring, so that can be written. So this is the side chain, this is the nucleus, so the adjacent positions of the substituent, so this is the adjacent positions of side chain is said to be ortho, OO, and the next positions of the ortho, that is said to be meta, MM, and the next the parallel position of the side chain is said to be para, so P can be taken, right? So this is the, and its numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is 1. Now, so some examples can be observed. So aromatic compounds, the nomenclature of aromatic compounds is a less reactive due to common names are considered as IUPAC nomenclature. So most of the common names acceptable for the IUPAC nomenclature, right? So what is name, right? Here the numbering is given per chloro, second one 3, 4, 5. Why the numbering is cannot given first priority per chlorine? The numbering is given per based on alphabetical order, right? So here chloro, this is fluoro. So what its name? So its name is right, 1 chloro, 2 fluoro, 1 chloro, 2 fluoro benzene, 1 chloro, 2 fluoro benzene, 1 chloro, 2 fluoro benzene. What its name? So this is methoxy. So methoxy benzene, or it is also said to be anisole. Its common name is anisole. So this is considered as IUPAC. Anisole is considered as IUPAC. So methoxybenzene or anisole, both are considered as IUPAC nomenclature. Anisole. So what its name? Its name is nitrosobenzene. This is nitroso. This is benzene. Nitrosobenzene. NO is said to be nitrosobenzene. So this is methyl benzene. CH3 said to be methyl benzene. It is also considered as, its name, common name is toluene. This is considered as IUPAC. What is the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound? Methyl benzene or toluene? Both are IUPAC nomenclatures. So what it is? Ethyl benzene. This is ethyl, 2 carbons. So ethyl benzene. So now goes to another compound like this. So this is a benzene 1 mole. That's not. So its common name is phenol. That is considered as IUPAC. Benzene 1 mole is not a IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. This is phenol. This phenol is the common name. That is taken as IUPAC nomenclature. Phenol. Next goes to this one, benzenamine or aniline. Aniline is the common name. That is considered as IUPAC. And so this is in these compounds like so already it says that here the CHO is present and outside of the ring. So this is not counting. This is not counting for CHO and COH. So in this case its suffix is changed. Actually all this is oic acid, but here taken carbaldehyde or carboxylic acid. Benzene carbaldehyde. So benzene carbaldehyde. సో మనం ఈ రింగ్కి బయట ఉండే కార్బన్ని మనం నెంబరింగ్ ఇవ్వడానికి అవకాశం లేనప్పుడు వాటి యొక్క సఫిక్స్ అనేది మారుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ సఫిక్స్ ఇస్ ఆర్, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఇయర్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఎన్ aldehyde, carbaldehyde, benzene plus carbaldehyde. So it is also said to be benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is the Common name that can be taken IUPAC, benzaldehyde. So what its name? Benzene carboxylic acid. Here also. So this OH is not given numbering. So this is also said to be benzene plus carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. So this is considered as benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is the IUPAC nomenclature. Benzoic acid. Okay, next goes to some more examples. Right, now some more examples. Right, what its name? Its IUPAC name is taken as a common name. Acetophenone. What its name? Acetophenone. Acetophenone. So this is ester CH3 double bond OO. So this is taken as mainstay. Ethanoate. So this is the substituent phenyl. So if the benzene group acts as a substituent, that it can be what its name? Phenyl. So phenyl, ethanoate, 2 carbons. Ethanoate, phenyl ethanoate. So this is amide group, benzamide, benzene plus amide, benzamide. So this is, if CH3 group is present on benzene ring, that is said to be toluene. Already says that if the CH3 group is present on benzene ring, its name is toluene. 4, 5, 6. So here the nitro group is present at 2nd position, 4th position and 6th position. 2, 4, 6 trinitro, 3 nitro groups, trinitro toluene. Here benzene ring is present on CH3. CH3 is present on benzene ring, that is said to be toluene, right? So it is a benzene 1, 2. So benzene 1, 2 diol. So it is also, its common name is catechol. Its common name is catechol. Here the OH groups are present in 1, 2, 3. So what its name? Its name is benzene 1, 3 diol. Benzene 1, 3 diol. Here all diols are present at 1 and 3. What its common name? Resorcinol. Catechol, resorcinol. Right. This is what its name? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what its name? Its name is benzene 1, 4 diol. Benzene 1, 4 diol. Its common name is, its IUPAC name is benzene 1, 4 diol. It is hydroquinone. Right. So what its name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Here the 3 OH groups are present at 1. So benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. It is also said to be chloroglycinol. Its common name is chloroglycinol. Its IUPAC is benzene 1, 3, 5 triol, chloroglycinol. So what its name? Benzene 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 triol. See its name is pyrogallal. Right, pyrogallal. So its name is, its common name can be taken as IUPAC, benzoquinone, benzoquinone, and it is this is a estopenone, this is a estopenone. So this is 1, this is 2. So here which is substituent? So 2-hydroxy estopenone, estopenone, 2-hydroxy-estopenone. So this is a functional group. These two are substituents. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4-hydroxy, 3-methoxy, 4-hydroxy, 3-methoxy benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde, benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde, benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. So these are the IUPAC nomenclature of benzene compounds or aromatic compounds. I hope to clear this, everyone. Please subscribe our channel. So in the next video I will discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclo and spiro compounds, bicyclic and spiro compounds. Thank you.